Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, man, today, nung nakaraan kasi, nag-surprise busking si Pablo sa BGC kung saan kanta niya yung kanyang unreleased song na Usad, no? Aside from that, meron pa siyang mga ibang cover songs na kinover or kanta na kinover during that busking. Di ako aware ng time na yon, no? Nag-live tayo during the time na nag-busking din si Pablo, or like right after nag-busking si Pablo, and in-inform nyo lang ako during live. And when we tried to search the again performance of Pablo, we only have the performance of Usad from Miss O's channel. And may mga nag-comment nga sa inyo na meron pa mga kinover si Pablo, iba pang mga kanta. So, we're gonna react to those songs, man. We have, by the way, I have here the channel of Abby Mark. Sa channel na to, nag-upload siya ng a total of 5 videos, which is, isa doon is yung Usad. Again, yung unreleased niyang kanta. Merong Kalimutan Ka, a song of Skastakli. We have That Should Be Me by Justin Bieber. We have Human Nature, man. Michael Jackson and Puyat. No? So, we're gonna react to all of those songs. Well, without no further ado, let's get it. Okay, so our first song, That Should Be Me, man.
Ulitin ko lang, kasama ko yung Uchi ngayon. Ken sa drums, si Sam sa bass.
Bali, di pa umuulan ng time na to, no?
Si Kuya Ryan sa piano, sa keyboard. Sabihin ko na, nandito si Joshua, nandito yung kapatid ko, si Kuya Richard. Tapos nandito yung Wansi, nandito rin Sonara. Pati nandito.
Sonara?
Kaya kayo training.
Patay kayo. Magagalitan kayo niyan.
Alam ko, alam nyo to. Sino dito fan ni, Justin Bieber! Fan din kayo? Ako rin fan din ako ni Justin Bieber.
Sino bang hindi?
One of his
No?
classics. This is called That Should Be Me. Let's go.
You said you needed a little time.
Everybody's laughing in my mind.
Hey.
Rumors spreading about this other guy. Do you do what you did when you did for me? Does he love you the way I can? Did you forget all the plans that you made for me? 'Cause maybe I did it. That should be me holding your hand. That should be me making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. That should be me. That should be me.
Oh shit, man. I don't know why, but hindi ko ina-expect na magiging bagay sa boses ni Pablo yung kanta ni Justin Bieber. Pero bagay. What the fuck? This is so wrong. Guys, you're missing something in here, man. Palaad-laad kayo, you're missing something in here. It's funny. Hey.
Did you think that I wouldn't see you out at the movies? What you doing to me? You're taking everywhere to go. Now if you try to break my heart, it's working good to know that
The vocal run, man.
this is
so sad.
That should be me. That should be me. That should be me.
Feeling your kiss.
That should be me.
Buying you gifts.
It's been so wrong. I can't go on. You believe me. I need to know should I fight for love or this time? It's getting harder to see.
Ang sarap siguro kasama ni Pablo pag nag-video okay, no? So, siya lang papakantahin mo, no? They have a little bit of disconnection doon, no? Ang galing. The technique, man. You see that? Sobrang taas ng ano, nasimulan niya yun ng sobrang taas ng ano ng pitch, no? But he was able to bale that the melody, no? Yes. Till you believe. Never let you go. Should never let you go. Let's go, man. Let's go. All right, next natin, Human Nature, man.
Itong,
I'm really curious paano kakantahin to ni ni Pablo.
itong next kong song, kilala niyo po ba si MJ?
Yes po. Ayun yung jowa ni Spider-Man, right?
Jordan po.
Michael Jordan. Hindi pala ako.
Sobrang idolo ko po to.
Idolo?
Buhay pa siya. Napakahusay po na performer.
Like, I feel like almost all of singers, especially mga singers na sobrang lapit sa R&B, man, or pop, man, of course. The king of pop, Michael Jackson.
Thank you, man.
Idol si Michael Jackson, no?
Pero malaking inspirasyon yung binigay sa akin ni MJ. So ito pong aawitin ko. Sana po magustuhan nyo. Ang title po nito, Human Nature. Yun lang.
Dan, dan, dan. Across the nighttime.
Di sa ulo. Let's go!
Let's go!
Light came out across the nighttime. The city went to sleepless eyes.
Hey!
Her voice shake my window. Sweet seducing light.
Okay. Okay, MJ. So, ba't kahawig na to si Curse One, no? Si Curse One? Ito kahawig si sino ba to? Yung sa Moy Moy Palabo. Why? That is human nature. Why? Hey!
To touch a stranger.
Hey!
Eyes are everywhere.
Nag-moonwalk eh, no? Why? Hmm. Si Pablo, pwede mong isali sa ano eh, no? Sa Sessionistas. Di ba? Lalo yung Sessionista sa ano, ASAP dati, no? Pwede, pwede eh.
Across the morning, the city's heart begins to beat. Reaching out, I touch your shoulder. I'm dreaming of the dream.
Why? Why?
Telling me it's too confusion. Why does it do me that way? Why? I'm telling me you're my nature. Hey, does it do me that way? I like it this way.
These people is missing out, man. Let's go.
MJ, hope you're proud, man.
I'm proud. Michael Jordan. Okay. Next song, man. Oh. Kalimutan Ka.
Yeah.
Disgustingly. Covered by Pinulo. Rock version, by the way. Ah, may dalang bag si Pablo. Parang napadaan lang talaga eh, no? Literal na napadaan lang eh, no? Hey. Hey. Kuya! Kuya tabi! Kuya tabi! Sabi. Yun na ang kailangan. Magaling din talaga ang songwriter si ano no? Si Skasta Cleo, man. No? Kalimutan ka. yung lyrics ng kanta, no? Plus, yung very emotional na vocals ni Pablo, lalo niyang pinasakit yung kanta, no? Lalo na sa mga nakaka-relate sa kanta. Lalo niyang pinasakit yung kanta. Hey! Let's go, Curse One. Solo from Curse One. Sabi nag-i-enjoy si Kuya dito, no? Isa sa mga pinaka-chill niyang duty, no?
Yari sa tayo hanggang sa huli, tuluyan pang makalimutan na. Ayoko bang mawala ang pag-asa, at ako'y masilayan ka. At kahit anong pag-uwi kong pagkukunwari, ay tila ba nakalimutan na, kalimutan ka.
Pinuno!
Pwede po
Let's
kayo
go.
mag-awit, ah.
Kanina pa ako nakikiawit, no? Okay, so for our next song, you know what? I just realized I never actually listened to this song, man. Itong kantang to, Puyat. I don't even know if I already listened to this song. Puyat. Before we start reacting to this right now, I tried to search it on my videos. Wala akong nakita, no? So, ibig sabihin, this is the first time that I'm gonna listen to this song. Wow! Okay. We'll see.
Pwede ba luwag na lang magpahinga? Pwede ba luwag na lang magpahinga? Pwede ba luwag ka?
Nah, this is the first time na maririnig ko tong kantang to ever, man. What? What? What do you mean?
Pumadapon ang sinag ng araw sa balat. Pagkat ako'y kumakatok na rin sa pintuan. Kung wala ng katuwang, tuloy ang bukayan. Sa aking kauluhan, sa aking may gagawa. Pwede ba luwag na lang magpahinga? Pwede ba luwag? Kahit ba mamatay, langirang ko yan. Sa dami ng langirang ko yan.
Oh, this is a theme song for me, man. Kasi lagi akong puyat, no? Every day, no? 24/7. I think I just found my own theme song, no? Para sa aking buhay. Hey!
Tuwing araw ng katapusan, gusto ko naman nasa
actually relate so much sa kanta, no? Wow. Ah. Yeah. True. Let's go. Gosh, you never actually request this song. Why? Why? I need to listen to the official audio of this after. Wow.
Pagod na ako, Sab.
Pagod na. Wow, man. Okay. Well, the last song is in here, no? So, let's go. I mean, we did listen to this ano, no? Miss O. Yung choir sa yun nagpapadagdag sa ano nito, no, na para siyang gospel, no? Kasi may choir pa sa likod. Dumadami na yung tao, no? Tapos umaambon na rin, lumalakas na rin yung ulan. It's a gospel song, man. By the way, what an ending, man. What an ending. Tapos umuulan na, no? Umuulan na. Ganda talaga ng line na yon, no? Ganda talaga ng line na yon. wanna listen to the song already, man. I wanna listen to the official song already. Hey. Lakas na ng ulan. Ang lakas na ng ulan, man. Oh man, look at this. Everyone is just panicking, man. You know, inuurong yung mga ano, but Pablo is just fucking jamming, man. Oh, the legendary performance, man. Ang ganda ng effect ng umulan pa, no? Wow.
Maraming salamat po. Muli ako po si Pablo. Salamat po sa pag-stay namin na ulan. Ako kayo lahat. Hey, Eugene, Pablo, Jorge, let's go!
Let's go.
Thank you so much. Mag-ingat po kayo po.
Ano daw? Ano ate? Ako muna. Nagalit na. Hag agad ikaw. Ako muna. Alright. That is Pablo or surprise busking of Pablo sa BGC, no? And that is the full set, no? Yung nakaraan kasi yung nating reaction is just usad, no? During that time na naka-live tayo, nag-react tayo nun, wala pa yung ibang, hindi pa na-upload yung iba sa YouTube, but now we have a lot of people na nag-upload na ng kanilang video, and one of them is Abby Mark. Again, ito yung channel na kung saan natin pinanood yung mga video na to, no? So subscribe to Abby Mark. Thank you, and that's our reaction today, man. I technically have 2 new songs na napainggan doon, yung Puyat and of course yung Usad, no? I mean, it's unreleased yet, but Puyat, man. I'm gonna listen to Puyat after this. But that's our reaction for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and see you on the next one. Peace.